Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable of my English lecturer, the respectable of my friends who I love. I'm really amazed and thankful to you all. First, I'd like to thank the Almighty God. It is because of Him we are all able to attend this event. Secondly, my salawat and salam always be delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who had brought us from the darkness to this bright modern era that we live in today. And last but not least, I like to thanks for English lecturer who giving me this very special opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and let me present. My name is Ela Meliyanti, and I'm from Communication Department of Tidar University. I'm studying here in front of you all to deliver my speech. I hope you all are feeling as amazing as I'm right now. I will tell you about tolerance. Yes. All of you surely know what is tolerance. Ladies and gentlemen, what is tolerance? Tolerance is a willingness to accept belief and behavior that are different for our own, with which we may not agree or of which we may not approve. It is important. Yes, it is. We need tolerance in your life in the order to live peacefully. It has always been known that each earth is inhabited by people with various races, ethnies, and religions. And it has always been a fact that we live in the society whose members have different backgrounds from each other. These differences often lead to friction among the people in the community. In order to maintain the harmony and unity in the community, mutual respect from the member of the community is needed. To establish this mutual respect, they have to be tolerant toward each other. We have to be too, because we are also the members of the community. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine if we live out tolerance. There will be wars and conflict everywhere. It will be impossible for us to live together in harmony with those who are different from us. We will live in terror that people outside our group will attack us anytime. Unfortunately, there are still people out there who feel this terror. The fear of being excluded, mocked, and ridiculed for being who they are and based on what they believe. Just because they are not the same like the rest of the society, they are being discriminated. These people are the minority. They are human too, like us. They have the same right and obligation like us. Yet they cannot live peacefully like us. Why? It is because there are still intolerant people left among us who will always play the majority card to justify their evildoing. It is sad, but all we can do is to show love and respect to the majority, being given them tolerance. Ladies and gentlemen, it is true that tolerance is important, but we must be wise on being tolerant. It means that we must set our own principle as the what extent we tolerate something, since it is also wrong to tolerate before and behave that can be harming and can only create negative effect to us and society. We must know when we shall give tolerance and when we shall not. We cannot tolerate everything. Tolerance just like other good things. So not be overly sad. Ladies and gentlemen, to end my speech, let me quote what was called proper one side. Unlimited tolerance must lead to the disappearance of tolerance. Tolerance is something we need in life, but we must use it wisely, otherwise including the essences of tolerance itself and could bring an bad outcome to us and others. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all speech that I can deliver. Ideally, what I have said is painful for us. I'm so sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you for your next attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.